going through your mind, Kaylee?
Are our forms strong enough that we won't have any blowouts? Is the pump gonna actually run the full time that it should and not clog up at all? Like Jesse said, did we remember to do everything with the plumbing and lighting and whatever else we would need in the grotto before we fill it with mud? And yeah, that's about it. And then I'm excited for mud to show up.
What's up with your boot?
Just a little bit. See, nice inside. This isn't waterproof anymore, so every time I step in the puddle, my socks get soaked.
And then hopefully we get red as a driver.
Yeah, that too.
Helps them.